The winning move is the only winning move here is b3.
Oh my God, come
Oh,
on. This is
this is too difficult.
so tough.
Do
Come
you
on, this
think
is so tough.
this is going to happen on the board? Levon is thinking, if Levon finds this, he's down to 17 seconds. Rook
What do we
takes
do?
e6
Rook
is
into
actually
e6.
winning
Rook
for
into
Raja.
e6. Knight g5.
Yeah,
Knight
rook e6,
g5.
knight g5, rook f6. Oh,
f6. Knight f7.
He took knight f7 and then rook
Rook
f7 and it's
f7.
winning for black.
So we are definitely winning. Okay, this is...
Oh, he's taken it and
Wow.
Ranjabov has done it. He is winning now. Unbelievable turnaround. But guys, it was
But
so
this
difficult.
was so tough.
It was so tough.
I mean,
agree.
without an engine, I think we couldn't have evaluated this position at all.
I absolutely agree with it.
King g6.
There is
Let's say
no check like queen e4 or queen e6. These are the two checks here. Let's say queen e6 check.
rook
Then
f6,
you go rook
of
f6,
course.
queen g4 check. Now king h6. If queen h4 check, you go king g7, queen g5 check, and king f7. And this is how you sort of start running away. It's not simple, guys. But also, Soumya, it's more about like black keeps
Oh, he's
making
taking
moves.
a draw. He's taking a draw.
No, he won't.
Yeah, he's taking a draw.
What?
No, but rook e1, because there is no rook
first
f8 in the
e4
position.
might be the right move, Soumya.
First
This is
e4.
true. Okay, so look at what Raja has done. He went king e3, and now after king e6 back, which Aronian is like trying to repeat, he's gone rook a2. Yeah, old masters of the past used to say, when you have an advantage, do not hurry. And this is what Rajabov does it. You know, the good player knows all the rules. The great player knows when to apply it in his games. This is what Rajabov is doing. Not hurrying at all. Now, oh, look at this. Bishop comes and attacks this weakness. B5 is attacked.
Wow.
What a smart maneuver.
But I think he'll go for... okay.
No.
Can we
Guys, Raja will play rook a2. Now supporting this pawn and making sure Levon goes passive. Yes, he plays
great.
rook a2.
And now next move a4.
A4.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful
Rook
technique.
h8,
Beautiful
A4.
technique.
Not be played in this
Oh,
position.
bishop c1
bishop
would
F-
already lead to threefold repetition. 6 seconds. Oh, he's pushed his pawn. Rook takes
Rook
now
a4.
Rook d1, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
he gave
c1 rook b1. C1 rook b1.
c1, rook takes b1.
Wow.
If queen takes b1, queen b8 check and swoops and takes away the queen. Wow, rook
Wow.
takes b1. Raja has seen it.
Nice
He
trick
has
to finish off the
spotted
game.
it.
Very
He's
nice
played
trick.
it. Awesome.
So, if you take fe, I think black is solid enough to keep the equality. Guys, the position is equal right now. This tea, everything behind the scenes, what's going on in their mind. Look, the white cup of tea has now come into the picture. I don't even think there is anything in the glass. You know, Raja is like just acting there, you know, sometime. And now Levon, yeah. No, he takes on a8. He takes on a8 and maybe he takes on e5.
Oh, he wants to play h5, and after h5, after black's h5, you have knight g5.
King f6. Raja always has the solid move at response there. Knight goes back to e7. Although Rajabov is now thinking he's down to 40 seconds. Levon has 15 seconds. I just admire the calmness of these two gladiators, guys. They are so calm. He takes on e5, take on e7. 6, 5, 4. Raja has 3 seconds. Oh, he moved it with 2 seconds on hand. He played his king back to f6. Now h5 is anyway hanging. Raja is like playing like amazing chess, not giving his opponent any chances for a win. Tight play. Such tight play.
With the idea to play e5, but then now rook h5 or rook f5 even.
No, rook h5. What is the problem with rook h5?
Both moves work.
Yeah, rook f5, king g3, and now rook takes e. Oh my god, this is over, guys. This is Rajabov is taking the half point home here, unless he makes some huge blunder. Material is getting exchanged move after move, and we are moving towards a draw. That means Raja wins this tournament.
He made a draw? He made
not
a
made
fist
a
bump.
draw.
He made a fist bump. No, it's still going on, but he feels good.
Look at him. He's like Let's go. Oh, he's closed his eyes. I don't know what is it. These
He feels good.
expressions.
He's got this and he knows it. He's happy.
I think he's just thinking about like all that hard
Rook
work and
F5
all of
probably.
it. That happens with tennis players, but in chess you shouldn't celebrate too soon. Of course, I think Raja was not celebrating there. He'll take on e5 now.
Yes, he'll take on e5 and just take the draw. He can even play. Okay, he'll take on e5.
He played
gave
h5, check.
And now rook e5.
Take on f3, no?
No, why?
I mean, the black king will then come and pick up this. Okay,
No, but take on e5 and you're a pawn up even in this endgame.
Yes,
After
yes.
f4, rook f5 and rook f4, you are the one making the draw.
Oh my god. Now look at Raja. He is there. He knows he's won it. Levon also such calm and accepts draw, guys. This is a draw. Rook e4 takes it. And look at Raja. Finally a smile comes on his face.
Oh my god.
Is he going to cry?
He's so happy.
Tears
Oh
of
my
happiness
God.
on his face. Levon there,
Oh
he
my
fought
God.
very, very well. He's
Oh my
called the
God.
Armenian
He's
lion.
so happy, man. He's so happy. Such a nice moment.
What a moment. Rajabo, after all these,
He has tears in his eyes, Sagar. Oh my God.
Soumya 2020 had been such a tough year for him. He couldn't play the candidates. He really needed some big victory, and this is the one. Air Things Masters has gone his way, and he is ecstatic here. He has tears in his eyes, guys. This is Raja.
Oh my
over
God.
there.
I'm so happy for him. He has tears in his eyes. Oh my God. He must be feeling so proud of himself. And it's such an amazing tournament that he's played. It must mean so much to him to win this such a strong tournament after such a long gap. He's come back to play.